Thanksgiving, I would invite someone I would love to meet. If I could, I would invite Scotty Miller. He plays for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and he is a receiver.
Brady goes for the deep shot. He's got a touchdown! Scotty Miller! Oh, my gosh!
So every Thanksgiving at our school, we write a piece that's going to be presented possibly at the Thanksgiving Assembly. And Esa decided to write about Scotty Miller.
He is 24 years old and very fast. Scotty Miller can run 50 yards in less than 8 seconds. I would invite Scotty Miller so I could play football with him and he could teach me how to be a better receiver. I was so surprised. I feel like so important to him.
Scotty Miller.
Scotty Miller. I think it's amazing. Yesterday, Esa came in and he told us that he had something to share with us. And I said, oh, great, get on up. Tell us what you're gonna share. His face lit up. He talked about how there was a package, but then he had to go to practice. He couldn't open the box yet. So then when he got home, he was able to open the box and he went through all the things that he was able to see and able to get.
I got a signed jersey, a signed Super Bowl shirt, a crystal with his signature, and a bobblehead with his signature on the box, and a signed Bucs hat. We will talk about the Bucs and how good he is on the team.
So we weren't sure what he was going to say, but the fact that he was excited to get up and deliver that piece, I think spoke volumes, that he's comfortable here, that he knew he would be loved and cared for when he got up on that stage, and then the fact that he was going to get to talk about one of his heroes, Scotty Miller.
Scotty Miller, thank you so much for making Esa's year. It was wonderful.
Thank you so much, Scotty. I loved everything you gave me. I love watching you play. Thanks again.